Controversy has recently surrounded the Zimbabwean president Emerson Mnangagwa regarding the authenticity of his age. Emerson Mnangagwa in age cheating storm. Subscribe or like on the bell. While the official narrative states that Mnangagwa was born in 1942, making him 82 years old in 2024. Rumors and speculation have begun to swell, suggesting that the veteran leader may be concealing his true age in an effort to appear younger. The controversy started when a series of old photographs of Mnangagwa from the year 2000 surfaced, showing him with noticeable grey hair. Fast forward to the present, and the same leader is often seen sporting a full head of black hair, leading some critics to question whether this change in appearance reflects a deliberate attempt to present a younger image. In football, this sort of discrepancy is often referred to as age cheating, a practice where athletes intentionally downplay their age to appear younger and prolong their careers. However, critics are not so easily convinced. They point to the apparent discrepancy in Mnangagwa's appearance over the years as evidence that there may be more to the story. While the President's office insists that the allegations are unfounded, the debate about Mnangagwa's true age has sparked curiosity both locally and internationally. Thomas Kwamdanyugona kumana panambachiti aiwa tukamera wenyika anogona aiwa arimo age cheating storm vachitaura mashoko vachibesa kune mapictures vachiona kuti aiwa vanenge pari kuitwa age cheating kuti aiwa aramba achiappear young. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.